This is Rajkumar Rao, an accomplished award-winning actor who's often been cited as one of the most talented Hindi actors of his generation. He's known for playing roles in films in a variety of different genres, including Newton, The White Tiger, and the horror comedy Ruhi. After graduating from the Film and Television Institute of India in 2008, his first appearance in a film was the brief role as the newscaster in the 2010 thriller Ran. But his first major role came that same year in LSD, Love, Sex or Dhoka, as a convenience store clerk who takes advantage of a female employee's feelings for him to make a sex tape using the store's camera in order to pay off a debt.
मरेगा मेरे हाथों एक दिन।
सबकी नीयत खराब नहीं होती आदर्श।
होती है। आदर्श क्या फाड़ में यार।
In his next film, he played a similar unlikable character, doing pretty much the exact same thing with his girlfriend in the found-footage horror film Ragini MMS. Then, after playing a small-time crook in the crime-laden ensemble epic Gangs of Wasseypur and an assistant police inspector in the psychological crime thriller Talash, Rajkumar starred in two very different films that took his career to new heights. In a group of three friends who start a cricket training academy, he is the third timid business side of the operation in the buddy drama Kai Po Che.
यार नंबर्स की अपनी मैजिकल दुनिया होती है। तुम्हें पता है 0 से लेकर 9 तक 10 डिजिट्स में हम पूरे यूनिवर्स को छुपा सकते हैं।
But his following film Shahid really showed his dramatic strength. His performance as real-life human rights lawyer Shahid Azmi, who was falsely accused of terrorism and ultimately assassinated, ignited his career and brought him critical acclaim, including a Filmfare Award for Best Actor.
No, I can sue her for this. I won't. Is she saying I'm a terrorist? What are you saying?
Rajkumar still managed to flex his versatility after Shahid. He proved beyond a shadow of doubt that he could carry a film pretty much by himself when he won another Filmfare Award for playing a call center employee who gets trapped in an abandoned high-rise building in the indie survival thriller Trapped.
तुझे सुनाई दे रहा है? यहाँ किसी को सुनाई नहीं देता है।
And in the indie drama Newton, which was submitted to the Oscars in 2019, he played a government clerk trying to uphold an honest election in a war-torn area of central India.
बिल्कुल सही बोला है। आप इनसे ऐसे बदतमीजी से बात नहीं कर सकते। आप कहाँ से आ गए? चलिए वहाँ। आऊँगा मैं, क्यों नहीं आऊँगा? मैं प्रिसाइडिंग ऑफिसर हूँ, ये एरिया मेरे कंट्रोल में आता है।
Rajkumar continued excelling in drama and proved himself an adept romantic lead in Bareilly Ki Barfi, earning a third Filmfare Award.
और कड़वे इंसानों में भी ना होता है, हाँ? जो बिल्कुल कड़वा नहीं होता।
Big budget romantic comedies followed like Fanney Khan and the commercial hits 3, which mixed elements of horror and comedy. Then, after playing an eccentric murder suspect in Judgmental Hai Kya and a Gujarati businessman manufacturing an aphrodisiac soup in Made in China, he starred alongside Adarsh Gaurav and Priyanka Chopra in the crime drama The White Tiger as Ashok, a businessman who gets in over his head helping his family bribe Indian politicians. Afterwards, following the crime comedy Ludo, he returned to the tried and true format of horror comedy, scared out of his mind trying to exorcise a possessed woman in Ruhi. Rajkumar Rao has clearly taken Hindi cinema by storm, and we are only seeing the beginnings of a long and fruitful acting career.